So how's Matthew? How was his birthday? He's fine, thank you. He just got off of work.
Tell,
Now you got her started. Thank you.
tell sister. Say, Sister and Matthew sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, then comes marriage, then comes no baby and no baby carriage. You got that, Matthew?
Look at this boa. It's beautiful.
We're looking at a boa.
Oh my God, I want that snake. It's beautiful. I want it. Mommy, give me the snake. Oppa Gangnam Style.
There was we even got the side view of the pout. What are you rolling your eyes at? You see that, Matthew?
You're not gonna send this to you know who.
Hi, Daddy. Daddy. How do you feel about the kids being here?
Okay, Mommy. Okay, Mommy.
Hey, Dad,
I got that for you. I get it.
Dad, turn off.
Daddy. How do you feel about the kids being... Stop screaming. Stop, Chris. How do you feel about the kids being here? It's a good thing? That's it? That's all you feel?
I feel a whole bunch of feelings.
No.
About the kids?
No.
Why don't you have to ask me that?
Because of your look. I like your, collar flipped up. That, that's pretty hip.
Wrestle with a 16-year-old that's really strong.
Almost 17. Yeah, it looks like you've got a fat lip.
Okay, Chris, here we go. Here. Ready?